Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This week I am showing up with a vlog called The End of Summer Days. Basically what I did was record some of the things I've done through these last couple of weeks. My first stop was Bordeaux. I actually ended up going home for a couple of days and I recorded some of the places I ended up going to. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel for more content on home decor, and share this video with anyone you think would like it. The library you're about to see is called Librairie Mollat, and this is very near and dear to my heart. I have been coming here since I was a little kid with my dad and my brothers and my mom sometimes. Usually on Saturdays, we will come in and buy a bunch of books. I really enjoy coming back here when I am in the city. I always feel like there's something quite magical about Bordeaux, and maybe I'm biased because this is the city where I was born, but it feels really good to be here, to look around and see some of the things that have changed and some of the things that remain the same. I feel like I really needed a break from Paris and also just from life in general, so it was nice to take the time to go home. I ended up stopping by Cause. Just FYI, the footages that you see were actually filmed in Paris, but in Bordeaux I tried out the same things and ended up buying the blue shirt that you see. Basically, I am just looking for and very excited for fall outfits and clothes, so I was just looking for what they had and what I liked. So as I was walking around, I found a secondhand book fair, and it reminded me of my friend Samir. I really thought that he would be very happy if he was there. I didn't find anything I wanted to buy, but I thought it was pretty cool to have all these books on display, and a lot of them were art books, which definitely grabbed my attention. That day was pretty hot, and I was really lucky to find Kuro Espresso Bar. I ended up ordering a lemonade, which was really good. I actually recommend the spot if you're ever in Bordeaux. And after that, I did my favorite thing, which is walking around and just admiring the view. After that, we ended up making our way home, but not before we stopped by La Cuivrée so I could buy my fill of candy. We are now back in Paris, and as you can see, I am trying out new matcha. Basically, for this segment of the vlog, I thought it would be cool to share with you some of the new things in my routine or in my home. First is new matcha, as I've mentioned, by the brand Human & Tea. I think that in my quest for new matcha, I found a brand that I really resonated with. The matcha was really good and not too expensive, so definitely will be buying from that brand again. Next up is a new mirror for my dining room space. This is footage from a couple of weeks ago at this point, but I wanted to show you how it looks in my space right now. Oh, and here is the shirt that I bought from Cause as well, the blue one that you saw in the vlog. Hold on tight, there's a story. A new addition to the dining table space is a new tablecloth that I bought, and I really love how it complements the space. Something else that I've been working on is a new look for the home office. It's nothing too dramatic, but I cleaned it and I really like the result. I also got an old camera from my dad. Thanks, Dad. And I'm really excited to start filming. I just need to buy film and to just get out there with my new camera. I don't know if you can tell because it's pretty subtle, but basically I reorganized my shelving system. I also bought new tableware and it's been really lovely to use. A special shout out to The Artist's Way. It's the book that I'm reading right now, and it's full of very interesting ideas about creativity and what it means to be an artist. So yeah, a good read. 2 weeks ago, I decided to try out a DIY on my white IKEA dresser. I painted it in brown. There's still some finishing touches that are needed. I'm actually considering painting it in black, so let me know in the comments down below what you think. Okay, and finally, I bought my first coat from a vintage shop. I am so excited. It looks amazing. I actually went with my friend Mika. I'm sure you remember him from my first apartment tour video. It's made of cashmere and wool and it looks amazing. I can't wait for the winter month so I can wear it. Alright everyone, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this end of the summer days vlog. It was kind of my back to school since this is the first long format video I've done in a while. Have a good day and I will see you all next Thursday. Bye!